Hi, and welcome to Cloud Native Go, a video course by Pact Publishing. My name's Leander Reimer, and I'm happy to be your host. Before I briefly talk you through the contents of this course, let me briefly introduce myself. I'm a chief technologist, and I do work for QA, where we are a small software project house located in Munich, Germany. For the last years, I've been an architect and also a developer, and I do now have, more than 20 years of programming experience. I'm an author, and I'm also a speaker at international and national conferences. You can follow me on Twitter on Leander Reimer, and I'm a total cloud native nerd. And if you're interested in some of the code, here's my GitHub URL, and you find some interesting code there maybe. So let me give you a brief overview of this course called Cloud Native Go. Well, we have a lot of content to cover, and this is the roadmap. First, I will talk you through the motivations and challenges that are associated with the development of cloud native applications. I will then introduce you to the cloud native stack we're going to use throughout this course. And this stack has three main components. We will use Go at the application layer. We will use Kubernetes at the scheduling and orchestration layer. And we will use Docker at the containerization and virtualization layer. We will start off with the development of a simple microservice in Go. And we will be using only, Go internal libraries. We will be developing a small HTTP server. I will show you how you can do, JSON marshalling and unmarshalling, and we will then develop a very simple book REST API. In the next section, we will then take this microservice and containerize it using Docker. I will give you a brief introduction to Docker. I will show you the basic Docker workflow and the basic commands you have to use on the command line. I will also show you how you can use Docker Compose, to compose your microservice with maybe a few other containers. And in the final section, I will then introduce you to Kubernetes, and I will show you how you can orchestrate your simple Go microservice with this, very hip tool at the moment. So we will deploy our microservice in Kubernetes. I'll show you how you can scale it horizontally. I will show you how you do labels. I will also show you how you can do a rolling upgrade of your Go microservice. So this is a lot of ground to cover. I hope you will enjoy it. So here are a few prerequisites. So I assume that you do know the Go programming language and you have basic skills and knowledge. Of course, I also assume that you have a working Go language installation on your computer. And it doesn't matter if you're developing under Windows or on a Mac or Linux. Also, you should be using an IDE with Go support, such as Visual Studio Code or IntelliJ. You will also have to use the Docker Toolbox or Docker Native, so make sure you have that installed on your local computer. And finally, you should have Minikube and Kube Control installed for the last section. So, you know which tools we're going to use. We have a lot of interesting stuff to cover. I hope you will enjoy this course, and I hope to see you soon.